Hi everyone! Due to the COVID-19, everyone is worried. I'm making this card and hoping that we can stay strong and fight the COVID-19 together. Remember, there's always a rainbow after every storm. Here are all the supplies that we will need for this card. We need a sun, a rainbow, 4 strips of sentiments, 2 layers of cloud, and 2 layers of card base. The blue one is slightly smaller than the yellow one. Let's work on the rainbow first. I use circle die to cut out different sizes of circle from different colored cardstock. I use 2 circle dies to create a frame. If you don't have the circle die or the colored cardstock, you can always look for a rainbow image from the internet and print it out. I'm planning to cut out a circle from the printing paper. I'd adhere all the circles onto the paper, then I cut the circles out using the die cut machine. I fold the white circle in half and then in half again to find the middle point. With the folded line, I know where to cut the circle to make it a rainbow. Now, it is time to cut out the sun that I printed from the internet on a yellow cardstock. Now that the rainbow and the sun are done, I'm working on the cloud. I cut 2 pieces of white cardstock. One is smaller at 4 inches by 5.5 inches, and the other one is bigger at 5 inches by 5.5 inches. I scored the bigger piece at 4.25 inches, then I fold it. I then use the cloud border die to die cut both white cardstocks to create 2 layers of clouds. If you don't have the cloud border die, you can always fussy cut it. Later, you will find out from the card that the height of the cloud are taller than what you have seen here because I make a mistake. I need more room for the sentiments. I'm now working on the blue cardstock. I cut out the sentiments as well as cutting the sky, which is 4 inches by 5.25 inches. The blue cardstock is then attached to the yellow cardstock as a base. The yellow cardstock is the normal A2 size cardstock, which is 4¼ inches by 5½ inches. Now I have all the supplies I need and I'm ready to assemble. I cut out extra cardstock that I don't need. For the word "stay strong" and a rainbow, I would like to emphasize them, so I use foam tape so that they pop up comparing to the other two sentiments. I hope you enjoyed this card, and please remember that there's always a rainbow after every storm, and we need to stay strong so that we can fight the COVID-19 together. Take good care of yourself and those around you. I'll see you